Scotty, you look like you're about ready to fall over.
Yeah,
Hanging in there.
So
All right.
I got everything back. We got the new ones wired in. I kept it as clean and as safe as I could so that it looks respectable. Because it looked respectable when it came in, I want it leaving the exact same way.
Yes.
So I got everything zip strapped back the way it was. It's tight in place.
Amp.
It's ran.
So we're gonna fire it up, let it get up to temp, and see what they do.
Let me turn the key.
Give it 2 pumps and hit the key. It's a 2-pump chump.
No, I'm not. I can at least do 3.
I'm a 2-pump chump.
I know that.
Shut up, Xander. Truant.
Sick.
Starts up so nice. So we're above 210. Nothing's came on yet. So I'm gonna shut her down and have the key on. And when we tested this prior with the other relays yesterday, it wouldn't work. So I ground it. So of course the temp sender, which should be making a ground at 180 because it's a resistor based sending unit, isn't grounding. I'm just gonna hook it up here so it's always on when the key's on for now, just so we can test drive this properly. And Kurt will get you a sending unit down the road here. That's funny how it wouldn't trigger him yesterday, but it triggers him now.
Yeah.
But we had ground there yesterday at 180. Yeah. Fun. Fun. All right. Now I hooked them up to a constant ground. We're actually cooling